Hey guys, welcome back to Andy's MG Adventures, where today's video is going to be the last video. It's funny how you get emotional when you stop and talk to a camera, isn't it? This has come about, as some of you might have seen on my Instagram page and on my YouTube community tab, that Margo was up for sale. And this has come around for a variety of reasons, but predominantly I have a young family and we want to go on adventures as a family together in a classic car. And of course, Margo being a two-seater, as wonderful as she is, couldn't fulfill that, no matter how amazing that car has been for me. So I put her up and used it as a good reason to do another service and check all over her to make sure she's okay. And rather quickly I got in contact by someone who was interested and had seen some of the videos, and we worked it out, and she's under offer, so to speak. She's just at the garage, post-MOT failure. She's just having her rear brakes balanced, and then she'll be good to go. But yeah, I just wanted to take a moment, really. I wanted to do this video to say thank you so much to every single one of you who's even liked or unliked or commented or emailed me with photos of your garage and all the stuff you're working on. I've made friends. You guys have participated and made all the work that I've done. And I don't just mean on the car, I mean ingesting all the videos that I've made, editing them, putting them with music, voiceover, graphics, post, you know, every single thing is a real effort, but it's a pleasurable effort, and you guys have made it worthwhile. I'm really fighting this. I'm going to miss all of your banter, all of your comments. I'm going to keep the channel live because, you know, there will be more people buying midgets and needing to work on them and do oil changes and all that stuff. And my plan is hopefully to get a classic car with 4 seats. With 4 seats. Don't know why I went high. With a similar engine to Margo, so that my wife and my daughter and myself to go on adventures, which will make all the extra hours putting into the car even more worthwhile. And maybe I'll put some videos on this channel, maybe I'll make a new one, I'm not sure yet. But I really hope that some of you might follow me, because you're a really good bunch and I am super grateful. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things that I found whilst I was getting everything ready for Margo. I point in this direction because I've literally got an empty garage now. Margo's still at SF Tebby, where she has her MOTs every year. Yeah, there's a few boxes of things I'll be sending when the car goes on the transporter. But let me show you what I found. First thing to show you is this issue of Practical Classics from March 2018. It's a publication over here in the UK, and if you turn to page 37, you'll see there's a little tiny Reader's Cars article all about yours truly, Margo and I, and it's me talking about new ownership and about my first drive in her when she actually broke down, bless her. But yeah, just happy memories, so I'm going to keep that for myself. Second thing to show you is this toolbox that always lived in the back of Margo, and I'm going to be keeping this, obviously. But my parents got it for me as a sort of christening present for the car, and it's got a picture of her and her name, and it's got her number plate across the top, and a 50p piece in it. Yeah, why would you need rope? And a 50p piece in it because my dad said that was always a good way of bringing you good luck and happy motoring. So there you go, and I've got all sorts of stuff in there. But this carried with me every drive and every time I ever worked on her. So there you go. It's been a very emotional couple of weeks. Not helped by my daughter saying, "Daddy, has Margo gone now?" These pesky kids will get you every time, right in the heart. I do know that the next owner is very excited, and they've already bought some bits and bobs to improve her, and they're going to be looking after her really well. And ultimately, that's really all I care about, to be honest. So yeah, there we go. I can't stretch this out anymore, you know. Thank you so much for everything. And as soon as this garage is filled again with something, I will endeavour to make more videos, and hopefully you guys will like that adventure too. You guys are the best. So, until the next time, lots of love, take care.